This is Morgan Cummins with Sand Bed Performance. We got a Honda Element in here. We're going to do the radiator and condenser fans on. The condenser fan was already bad about a year ago, I think it was, and it was blowing fuses. It just shorted out, and now the radiator fan is just shorted itself. It's getting 14 volts to the fan. It's got a ground. It's not working though. So we're going to go ahead and replace both of these, and we'll go through this step by step. So first of all, we got to take this upper cover off. We'll end up taking this whole cross member out and laying it over. Put these to the side. Cannot find my little pliers that actually you're supposed to use to take these things out. I believe they may be in my work toolbox, but we use what we got. So try not to tear them up. It should be fine. Okay, set there. Over to the side. Okay, so this whole piece, we're just going to pick it up, lay it over, make sure we get our wiring harnesses. Already got one loose down there, but let's pop the rest of these out. Make sure we got them popped out. Short one. Probably didn't have to take those off, but I'll just do it for ease of access. Those bolts are out, that's loose. Set this right here. Then we need to get this little wiring harnesses out. Little pliers, pinch and push, pinch and push, pinch and push, pinch and push. Now wiring harness is loose. Okay, that's good. So that's loose. All right. So now we need to go to the bottom of the car. Well, so we got to rack it up, and then I'll start back on the bottom and show you where to take it loose from there. And we're up. I got my boy in the shop, so you might hear him in the back. So let's see. Get my light. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see. It's right there. At the very bottom, there's a 10 mil right there. That's the one we got to get loose. That should be the only one, I believe. And you see there's another wiring harness. We might get it from while we're down here. So let's get an extension. Probably could even, well, I don't think we'll need a wobbler. Just get us a long extension. I think we can get it with that. Let's see. See if can get this in an angle where it'll work. Yeah, I see it there. Pretty good. Right there. Yep. Now let's see if we can pull it out. Yeah, just like that. I'll set it back over here. Get some longer pliers for that wiring harness. Let's see. Some long pliers. Ain't necessarily got to be this long, but I said use what I got. Let's see. There we go. Alright. I believe that should do it. Alright, we'll lower back. Alright, we're back down. Let's see if we got this completely loose. Yep, we did. So see, we're just going to take this and turn it. We're just going to lay it over here to the side. Just like so. Get it out of the way. And so see here, the radiator hose is here. Well, the trick is you want to pull this one out first. Pop this one out and then pull it this way and pull it out so you won't have to do your radiator hose. I believe that's how I've done it in the past. So right now we're just going to get this jug out of the way. Get the cap off. Get it to the side. Okay, down like so. Take this jug, and we'll just lay it over here. Just keep it in there so it don't spill out. Try not to spill out. That fan, that one is here, and they just pull out. Just pull it straight up and out, like so. You see I've already got these sitting over here. This is a brand new condenser fan. This is a brand new radiator fan in the right direction. So we're going to lay that one there. I'm going to take the other one out. Okay, need to get this one loose. Down here, it's on the bottom, push it in and pull out. Yep, see, we're gonna wiggle it. That's what we're gonna do. Try to wiggle it around. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Push the radiator back a little bit. It might come out, let's see. Might get lucky. Might still have to pull that radiator hose. I don't want to break any sensors down there. We'll see. I think the one I did it in was an Odyssey. Alright, yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll just pull the hose. Not a whole lot of coolant's going to come out, just a little bit. Won't be too bad, just, let's see. Be fine. I mean, if I go find my pan, I'll put it under there and I'll be right back. Alright, now we got our pan set up. Go ahead and just pull this coolant hose out of the way. Cool. Pretty tight little line right there. It's gonna be a little bit, let's see. I'll just pull this straight up like that and stick it so where it won't fall and might leak out like that, like all over my hand, like so. That'll work. Do that, just pull it, gonna pull this out. Just like that. let it drain out before we put the other ones in. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. You see the holes where the fans sit? So we'll take and get our new ones. I got the little. We'll take this one. We'll slide it down in there. Just kind of look and feel. Make sure we get them sitting in them holes.
I think that is gone.
Put this on so it'll stop leaking. Okay. Looks like we got that one in there. We'll get our other one. We set it down in there.
I think it's going there. I think it's going.
This one's a bit harder to see. So, okay, I can see it now.
I think it's going.
Alright, so now they're both in. And so basically, you know, installation is just going to be the reverse of what we got so far. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and that helps my channel out, and I'm just getting started, so I'd appreciate it a lot, and I'll see you next time.